How to equip Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket. In order to equip a Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket, you first need to obtain the Flair, which requires specific resources like duplicate cards and all that. Now then, go ahead and open the Pokemon TCG Pocket, and when you actually do it, so what you have to do is, in order to obtain a Flair, you'll need a duplicate copies of a specific Pokemon cards that you want to apply Flair to, as well as shine dust. First thing and next, you want to find the obtain Flair button when viewing the card you want to customize. After which, what you need to do is you'll need to exchange the required duplicate card and shine dust to obtain the Flair as well. Then you want to go to the card locations and tap the card and look for a green icon in the lower right corner. Then tap the icon and choose your desired Flair. As you've done it, so you could go ahead and tap on use the Flair to card, and that is how you could go ahead and give Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket. This is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.